Now, if you knew the future, you'd probably be sitting on the hood of your sports car, just like Wall Street Pepe is doing right here. But in fact, we've got a very good indicator of what's to come, both in terms of search volume, as represented out on Google, and also in terms of price action in Wall Street Pepe. Now, I'm going to be talking about those reasons in this video because I believe it's very important that history repeats itself. And right now, we have got a golden opportunity with Wall Street Pepe. We know exactly what the buyers are doing. We know exactly what to expect. And we know that the meme coin market is expected to rise as well. So let's go over those statistics. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. And as you can see, Wall Street Pepe is doing very well for himself. And if you want to be doing very well for yourself as well, let's study history for a second. Now, the first thing I want to show you is the cryptocurrency cycle. This is a 4-year bear to bull market cycle, or a 4-year peak between each of the bull markets. We're coming up on that 4-year peak, 2017. And if you go back, it's very little in comparison to the overall graph, but if you go back to 2013 as well, Bitcoin was rallying in 2013, and cryptocurrency search volume rallied. It's just in comparison to 2017, it was very, very low. You can't see it too well unless you're looking at a price chart for Bitcoin. And of course, if you don't pull up 2017. But anyway, you can see the spike in 2013 to 17. 17 to 21. 21 to the anticipated 2025. Now, of course, this is a pattern repetition, and the future is not guaranteed. But with the new administration coming in, with the current uptick from November into December, mimicking the current uptick or the uptick that happened in 2020 December into December, same thing November into December here of 2017, everything is repeating itself. And people are gearing up for a 2025 bull market rally, which is going to lift prices of cryptocurrency across the board. Now this time, meme coins are the focus. People have been studying meme coins. Which ones should they be buying? And I know right now that this search volume isn't buy volume. If it was buy volume, meme coins would be at the highest level that they've ever been. And they're not necessarily up there. A lot of prices are down in comparison. There are more meme coins, which help drive up the overall value compared to history. But this is not buy volume. This is search volume, meaning that people are trying to find the best opportunities. And therefore, we should expect, now this is nobody knows the future, but this is based on the anticipation of a bull market rally. This is based on the anticipation of meme coins remaining at the highest level of interest that they have ever been. Now this brings us to Wall Street Pepe. And this is a very interesting token because it is the fastest selling meme coin pre-sale in history. And I do believe that it will smash the records of Pepe Unchained, surpassing $74 million if they allow it to before launching. And here we are, with nearly $500,000 to $1 million a day being raised. But why do I believe we know what this money is going to do? Is it going to panic sell at the beginning? I don't believe so. I believe that the people buying into Wall Street Pepe are willing to hold for 5, 10, maybe 15x gains very shortly after launch. Now let's talk about why I believe that. It is speculation, but I'm trying to connect the dots here and put it together. If you come out and you read about whales jumping into Wall Street Pepe, you're going to find that these whales became whales in Pepe Unchained. Now this is very interesting because now we know what they're capable of. It says Wall Street Pepe has been attracting attention from whales as well as regular investors or traders. For example, one recently invested almost $200,000 into the presale. Interestingly, this whale had also invested in Pepe Unchained's presale, making $200,000 in profit, which was then funneled into Wall Street Pepe. Guys, these whales have done it, and they're going to do it again. These guys made $200,000 in Pepe Unchained, 7xing their investment. And if they're capable of 7xing, we know that they're capable of 7xing. And we know what they're willing to do, and we know they're willing to hold, and we know they're willing to buy, and therefore they should be willing, since it's the same whales that were jumping into Wall Street, or that are jumping into Wall Street Pepe, that made their money off of Pepe Unchained. We know that they're not going to panic sell. We know that they're not going to dump the price of Wall Street Pepe. And if they take it to a 7x gain, yeah, it's going to make those guys millionaires. But imagine the opportunity that you and I have. Now that's why I've jumped in, and this is the heaviest pre-sale that I have ever owned. I've never bought more of a pre-sale than anything that I have Wall Street Pepe here. And I believe that because of the reasons I've just stated, that this has the capacity to do those 5, 10, maybe even 20x gains shortly after launch. Now there's so much more to it. I'll talk about that in future videos, but I want to know if you guys are interested. And if you are, you got a link down in the description. You got a link in the pinned comment. It's going to pull you up to this website, and it is very easy to buy with crypto or buy with card. I want to know if you guys are buying down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.